I feel my spirit to pray for creatives, every creative under the sound of my voice. I pray in the name of Jesus that the Lord gives you supernatural wisdom, ideas beyond your mental faculties, that no longer will there be a dichotomy between your spirit and your mind. Your mind will work soundly, your spirit would be above, and by supernatural combination, you would produce gold for the world. In the name of Jesus, I pray in the name of Jesus that no longer would you be celebrating the ideas in your mind, but from today, those ideas will be converted to resources in your hands. The Lord will begin to show you and give you business thinking, bring to you men and women who can partner with the business of your creativity. You will not be small, you will not be silenced. Your depth of wisdom and ideas will match the ants that shows to the earth. And from today, your reward would match up with who you are in your heart. In Jesus' mighty name.